Yes, my viewers, this is how we prepare the soil for planting. You know, it's all about sweet potato. Yeah, so first you plow the land and then you row it. You know, you row it wide enough that's in between you can plant something else. Alright, the big driver them, yeah.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, driver. What do you mean? That is the plow. That is the row. I'm gonna row it now. My God. Yes, my viewers. Alright, he's gonna line up the row to make a nice row go down the line. Yeah. Alright. Alright, my viewers, look. This is how you row the field. Yeah! My God. This is how it's done. My God. Yeah, this is how it's done, my viewers. Very fast and quick. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, the whole field is raw. Yeah. Plant the sweet potato and then corn is gonna plant in between those rows. Alright. Some of viewers and subscribers, it's all about preparing the soil for planting. Alright. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright. Alright, he's gonna line up down the bottom there to make one more row come up the top here. Yeah. Alright. Let's go, man. Alright. Off you go. Yeah, he's on the same row. He's finished off with the same row. Alright, look at the row at this time. When he do the second lap on it, it's gonna be nice and neat. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Alright. Alright, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. That is the row. Yes, sir. Okay. He is lining up for our next row. Alright. Right up, right up, right up, right up. Yeah. Yes, driver. Pull out again. One gear. Alright. Off you go. Yeah. That is the next row, my people. So you do one up, one down. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, it's all about rowing the plantation, you know what I mean? Yeah. get the soil ready for planting. Planting some sweet potato and corn in between the rows. Alright? As you can see, straight ahead. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna line up now to make a next row, and that same row come up back, you know, to get it perfect. Yes, my viewers, it's all about planting. Come on, you have to line it up properly, you know. Yeah, make sure everything is intact before moving. Okay, off you go. The wind is very strong here, so you can hear the wind blowing. Okay, he's on our next row. Yes, sir. Yes, I know, break it. Off he goes. Yeah, he's on the next row. You know, we look. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, the soil is preparing for planting. Sweet potato, corn in between. Yeah, it's all about rowing after plowing. Alright. Yes, sir. Ready to put in the potato them? Oh, God, man. I love the road them. I love the road them. The road them nice. Yeah. For real, for real. Yeah.
Good. Ah.
Come on, you can't get you one gear. Hot to give the engine some coolant. Come on, water the man, water the man, water the man, water. Yeah, the engine needs some coolant right now. Yeah. Come in, water man. Manage the water, sir. What you do to come along?
Take up the plow.
Alright, bossy. Man have a jug of water and I come along. Alright.
And rum bag, you know?
And your rum bag. The boss. A jug of water come along and a rum bag. Yo. Yes, my viewers, it's all about preparing the soil for planting. Yeah, man, some sweet potato and corn in between. Yeah, man, there's that to say, man. It's all about farming. Know what I mean? Oh my God, yeah! Yeah, true. The real man. Yeah, in between. Yeah. Go right down the line. My God. Oh, yeah. Don't make the young farmer drop, you know. It's the young farmer that. Oh, God. Yeah, man. And the next young farmer that, man. Watch your step. Wire. What you mean, driver? Engine get hot. Water, water. Where you water, man, man? Yes, my viewers, this is the plow. This is what do the rowing. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah, man, that is the machine that do the rowing, you know? Yeah. Yeah.
Take it, man. Watch your ass, you see. Let's clear now, can't take it out. Try it. Cheers. Cheers, Shasta.
Want to be by? Oh God! Right, Brian, line him up for your next one. Sometimes he bend up, man. Sometimes he bend up and he go back over it. And it's straight now.